May 1945. Nazi Germany has fallen. Across Europe, hundreds of thousands of Waffen-SS soldiers, once Hitler's elite, laid down their weapons. For years they had been feared. Black uniforms, strict discipline, and absolute loyalty to Hitler. But now, the symbols that once inspired terror mark them as criminals. The Allies moved fast. The entire SS was ordered dissolved. American, British, and Soviet troops rounded up frontline divisions like Leibstandard, Das Reich, Totenkopf, and foreign volunteer units from all corners of occupied Europe. Camps overflowed. Thousands were kept in open fields, sick, starving, and unsure whether they would face trial or death. The reckoning arrived at Nuremberg. In 1946, the International Military Tribunal officially declared the SS a criminal organization. Simply belonging could be considered a crime, unless one could prove forced conscription. After 1943, high-ranking figures like Kurt Meyer faced trial for atrocities, but most rank-and-file soldiers were released within months, marked but free. The post-war world brought new dilemmas. Some Waffen-SS men tried returning home. Others drifted through displaced person camp. A small but infamous group escaped along ratlines to Argentina, Spain, Syria, and Egypt, fueled by forged papers, sympathetic officials, and Cold War chaos. For those who stayed, life was harsh. They were barred from pensions, public employment, and recognition. Their uniforms became symbols of shame. By 1949, West Germany was rising from ruins, but the question remained: what to do with the hundreds of thousands of former SS men living inside its borders? Politics soon collided with reality. In the early 1950s, Chancellor Konrad Adenauer pushed for reintegration. Germany needed stability and votes. In 1953, he declared that many Waffen-SS men had fought as soldiers like others, opening limited pensions to them and easing restrictions. A surprising new force emerged. Former SS generals formed HIG, a powerful veteran lobby. What began as a welfare group became a political machine. Through books, speeches, and rallies, they argued the Waffen-SS had been an apolitical elite fighting force, not ideological killers. HIG gained influence fast. Politicians courted them. Memoirs rewrote history. By the 1960s, Waffen-SS reunions were held publicly, and their myth of a clean SS gained traction. But Germany's younger generation pushed back. In the 1970s, 80s, journalists and historians exposed HIG's revisionism. Investigations revealed deep political ties and attempts to rewrite the SS legacy. Public opinion turned. By 1992, HIG dissolved, its influence broken. After reunification, the truth resurfaced. New archives proved Waffen-SS units had operated closely with Einsatzgruppen and participated in massacres across Eastern Europe. The myth of an apolitical elite finally collapsed. Yet controversies continued. Ex-SS veterans still receiving pensions, right-wing groups using SS symbols online, Eastern European countries honoring local SS divisions, global debates over memory, guilt, and justice. Today, almost no Waffen-SS veterans remain alive, but their legacy still shapes how Germany confronts its past, how nations remember, forget, and sometimes rewrite history. Their story is a reminder. Armies disappear, but the battles over memory last generations. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep WW2 history.